What's up, guys? So I am with my brother and he has never sharpened a knife before. He does not know how to sharpen knives, and I have the rolling knife sharpener, and I wanted to have him use it to see how easily he could get used to it and put a sharp edge on a very, very dull knife. And just to prove to you that it is very dull, let me just grab this. I will cut the edge off on a diamond stone. This thing is nothing. All right, so come on over here, Joey. So you're just gonna take, this is a magnet right here. Yeah. So just magnet it to the middle, make sure the spine is hitting the countertop, you know? And then you might want to push it a little forward or a little bit back when you're rolling it. This is 17 degrees. Now when you do it, you're just gonna let it sit flat, just like that, right? So straight it down, no pressure, and then try to roll, try to roll it. You can get to the tip, you can kind of do a little back and forth motions, but just like that, go for it. Let me put the microphone right here so they can hear you. I'm gonna switch angles.
10, 4. Go ahead, you're fine.
Yeah, you see how you don't want to apply a lot of pressure because it can pop off the magnet, but as long as you're not putting pressure, it'll stay on.
Yeah.
And this is the Work Sharp version, for those of you that don't know. The Work Sharp rolling knife sharpener. All right, let's check it for a burr.
That's all you.
So just run your finger. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna run your finger up like that, and you're just feeling for a metal wire. You have a little bit right here. There's some missing right here, but you have a little bit. So we're gonna keep going, but yeah, just kind of just rub up. Yeah, you'll feel like a little wire. Like,
oh yeah.
It's just, you know, it kind of feels rough.
Yeah, I feel it in some spots.
Yeah, so just keep going until it's complete, till you have it all the way up and down.
Gotcha.
Give it a little feel, all the way down. Can you feel it?
Yeah, it's easier to use my nail. Not all the way through it, don't think.
Keep going then.
Yep.
It had a lot of damage though. Remember this knife, I'm not sure if it's ever been sharpened.
Not in the 10 years.
Maybe that pull through that they use.
Yeah,
maybe.
Most.
And if anything, that's probably just made it even worse.
Yeah.
I mean, it probably makes it sharper for a minute, but then when it gets dull faster, and it'll probably damage a lot easier too.
Yeah.
Check it.
Yeah. Feels like there is one throughout.
Yeah, it's just small. It's just small. Yeah. Now flip the knife. Yep, exactly. Perfect. Make sure the spine is all the way down.
Oh yeah, good point.
So like make sure even like up here in the front, make sure the whole spine is all the way touching the table, and then
looks like
there you go. There you go.
Alrighty.
Let me switch.
Go for it.
No, go ahead. You're fine.
Alrighty.
Go ahead. A little bit more.
Yeah. Wasn't really feeling it there.
Yeah, like I said, man, this one definitely had a lot more damage to it than if it was a fresh one. So And that's the thing, obviously, with any knife, when you sharpen, the more damage that's on the edge, the longer it's going to take.
Yeah.
And the thing is that if there is no damage, these rollers, you can get a knife sharp in 2 minutes. You know, if it's just really dull, maybe 5 minutes. If it's got chips and stuff, yeah, it's going to take you 10, 12, 15 minutes maybe. But that's at its worst, you know. But in most cases, what I would do is I would strip off the edge by literally taking another stone and drag. Even if I used one of their little diamond stones, I would drag it down it, you know, until most of the chips are gone, and then start a new bevel. Starting.
I think it is.
Yeah, you got one starting all the way right there. Yeah, you got a micro. Yeah, you got a micro.
Yeah,
so now all you gotta do is just pop this off. Just like, as soon as I can find it. There we go. So you pop that off, and then you pop on this one, and now flip the knife. Yep, just like that. Go exactly how it was before, and then just go through that. So now this one will go a lot faster than the last time because you already developed the burr.
Gotcha.
So you're just basically refining the scratch pattern that was on that's on the knife.
Okay.
Check it. Yep. Yeah, you pretty much have a burr. So now you can flip to the other side and then do the same thing with the same stone.
Make sure.
And then we're going to do a burr removal after this one. And then flip the knife and do the same thing on the opposite side. And we're going to do it again on the other side. We're going to do this a few times back and forth. So we're trying to make the burr go back and forth until it snaps off.
Gotcha.
Like a paper clip. Like if you folded a paper clip back and forth.
Forward and then flip it?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Sounds pretty good.
All right, that's 4.
Okay, let's check it really quick.
Alrighty.
I'm putting the mic back on, so my voice is gonna get a little louder. Let's just. Yeah, we're pretty good. I feel a little bit of burr on this side, but hopefully the strap will take care of it. So just go like this and just do reverse passes just like this.
Alright, flip back and forth each time, or?
No, you can do like 3 or 4 passes this way, a couple passes this way, then go 1, 1, 1, 1 at the end.
Gotcha. So like 4, 4, and then 1, 1, 1?
Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Make sure you don't raise up like that.
Gotcha.
There you go. Yeah, just don't pull up because otherwise you'll roll the edge over. There you go, nice and straight. And then you can do the other side the exact same way. Nope, go start from here.
Oh.
There you go, just like that. You got it. There you go. Just try not to lift when you get to the end. Try to make sure that it stays this nice and level. So like right here, just like stretch your wrist up a little bit like that. There you go, like that.
Like that?
Perfect. All right, let's check it really quick. Just feel it. It definitely feels grab a piece of paper.
Gotcha.
Feels 1,000,000 times better than it did. If anything, you at least got 90% of all the chips out, if not 98. Oh yeah, that sucker's gonna cut. All right, let's see.
Here's the sheet right there.
That one, all right, let's see how it did. Bang. To go from as dull as that was, is there a chip there? No, I went to. To go from as dull as it was to that, not too bad. I'm just gonna do a couple more passes really quick. Oh, 1 second. Let's see if it'll pass the paper towel test. Yes, it did. Look at that. Oh, it's snagging a little bit, but it got most of it. It's good enough. Anybody would consider that very sharp.